chose to study business my freshman year of college, and after about 2 years of taking business classes and doing fairly well, I decided I wanted to study more behavioral aspects, people, that I'd rather go into political science because I was more curious and I wanted to learn more about behaviors of people instead of just about microeconomics and things like that. I think I've always been a very curious person. I've always studied behaviors, but studying political science made me made me even more curious, made me observe people even more. And now I'm doing statistics, but I'm still studying behaviors, and we still look at why people do what they do, why they buy what they buy. So the link between political science and people's behaviors is obvious, because that just shows you why people do what they do and how they come to that decision. What I do now in the analytics department, we basically take data and we perform different analytical studies to answer client questions and address their business issues. A client will come to us and their business issue is they want to know how their advertising is doing. Basically, we'll perform a statistical technique that can isolate the effects of this variable advertising and quantify the volume gain from that. What interests me the most is that I see results of my work, and it's on a short-term basis. I know that what I'm doing actually gets used, and I can see that. Market research is a huge growth area right now. There's right now several companies that have just started up in Chicago. People that come out of this job, they come out with so much experience because you're given responsibility at such a young age, even if you're right out of college.